सो दोस्तों बड़ी ही इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है। फाइनली द सर्कुलर हैज़ बीन रिलीज्ड ऑन इन रिलेशन टू द पेंशन अपडेशन एक्स ग्रेशिया। उसको डिस्कस करने वाले हैं दोस्तों। बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सर्कुलर है जो यहाँ पे हुआ है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो दोस्तों आपको पता है जो अभी रिसेंट मीटिंग हुई है उसमें क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स हैं। सबसे पहले है अपडेशन ऑफ पेंशन। So IBA informed that the issue continues to be subjective, sub judice, and hence cannot be discussed at this stage. So we have requested that looking to profit of banks, the amount of ex gratia may be reviewed. Next है that is improvement in the PLI scheme. IBA informed that banks have been advised of the revised norms for grant of PLI as per the minutes signed on 15th of June 24 with our unions. We pointed out that some of the banks are moving unilaterally in the matter of fixing the parameters and the same should be discussed with the unions and association. The next is the exemption of additional 4% contribution by management toward NPS from income tax. IB informed that this has been announced in the recent budget proposal and hence would be acted upon on receipt of proper guidelines from the government. So 5 day banking आपको पता ही है क्या सिनेरियो है। जो मैटर है अभी वो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस की तरफ पहुंचा हुआ है और उसमें कोई भी अभी तक इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं आया। नेक्स्ट इज़ एडिशनल कन्वीनियंस अलाउंस फॉर एम्प्लॉयज़ विद बेंचमार्क डिसेबिलिटीज़। सो उनके लिए गवर्नमेंट रिवाइज्ड गाइडलाइंस टू इंक्रीज द अमाउंट टू ₹600। Extension of ex gratia for pensioners of private banks. So IB agreed to our suggestion to inform the private banks who are parties to pension settlement that they may extend the ex gratia to the pensioners in their banks as has been implemented in the public sector banks. Next important is related to the group medical insurance policy for in-service employee officers and retirees. IB informed that in terms of minutes signed with our unions on 2nd of July 24, the issue has been addressed and a composite group medical policy is being worked out for in-service staff and retirees with a uniform rate of premium and common commencement date, which is expected to result in some relief to the retirees and be reiterated that premium payable by the retirees to be borne by the management. So यहाँ पे the major thing is the premium, so which will be borne by the bank, respective bank, and common data retirees की as well as for the serving staff. So finalizing the scheme for leave bank. So IB outlined the scheme being prepared by them and informed that the scheme has to be scrutinized from income tax angle. So that will be finalized very soon. And the next important point that they have discussed is relation to the option to employees covered by NPS to switch over to OPS. So IB informed that the issue needs further discussion in the light of recent decision by the government on the UPS. So गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से जो UPS स्कीम को लेके आया गया है ऑन दैट सेम बिहाफ NPS से OPS की जो बात है वो एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए रखी गई है। नेक्स्ट एक्सटेंडिंग द DA स्कीम ऑफ 12th BPS प्रायर टू 1st November 22. So IB informed that the issue needs further discussions before any view can be taken by them. And changes in the disciplinary action procedure, it was decided to discuss the issue further in the next meeting. एलोकेशन ऑफ फंड्स टू स्टाफ वेलफेयर फंड, तो ये बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट है। यहाँ पे स्टाफ वेलफेयर फंड में जो एलोकेशन है वो दोस्तों बहुत कम है एंड इट नीड्स टू बी इम्प्रूव्ड हेयर। एडिकेट रिक्रूटमेंट्स इन द बैंक. So we raised the issue of need for adequate recruitment in the banks and it was agreed to discuss the issues further. And the next important point that they have discussed is outsourcing. IBA raised the issue that management be permitted to outsource non-core jobs in view of RBI guidelines and the Honorable Supreme Court judgment, and we informed that the issue may be discussed in subsequent meetings after union discuss the issue amongst themselves. Modifications in compassionate appointment scheme. IBA wanted more data and it's from us, and it was decided to discuss the issue further. LTC LFC monetization scheme on the lines of State Bank and Reserve Bank for the officers. So IBA wanted more data for more details from us, and it was decided to discuss the issue further. Notional first stagnation increment for officers in scale 5 who retired during 1st November 17 to 31st October 20. So we have raised the issue and it was agreed to discuss the issue further. Anomaly in fitment on promotion from clerical to स्केल 1 फ्रॉम वन स्केल टू अनदर, उसको भी फिक्स करने की यहाँ पे डिस्कशन हुई है फ्रेंड्स. सो आई बी इन्फॉर्म दैट द इशू हैज़ बीन रिजॉल्व एंड द मॉडल formula for fitment of pay of employees on promotion duly implementing the provision of 12th BPS and 9th joint note has been advised to banks. So few other issues listed under residual issues for both workmen and officer shall be discussed further in the next meeting. So these are the various points जो कि discuss हुए हैं in relation to the bankers. They have discussed that they need to shift from NPS to OPS, and जो retirees के लिए है that उनका जो एक्सग्रेशिया है फ्रेंड्स वो यहाँ पे इंक्रीज़ कर सकते हैं, और एक्सग्रेशिया ओबियसली यहाँ पे दोस्तों इंक्रीज़ भी होना चाहिए because the public sector bank has been performing very good these 2 last years. They have a profit, I'm talking of the net profit, 2.5 to 3 lakh crores is sufficient, and operating profit is way much. So let's see what will happen in the near future. So with this that's all for this session. So kindly share the update friends, चैनल को यहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना for the latest banking pension and upcoming updates के लिए. That's all for this session, and most importantly kindly share this important circular of IBA United Farmer Bank Union official meet. So that's all for this session. Take care all friends, and share the important update and subscribe to the